Hey guys, it's me again, Nikki G, and I'm here for Miracle's Kitchen. So for today guys, I'll be cooking crispy binagoongan. So let's start cooking! For the ingredients, we'll be needing garlic, onions, tomatoes, green and red chili, eggplant, homemade bagoong alamang. You can also use the ones in the grocery. Pork liempo. You can deep fry or air fry this one. But for me, I'm going to air fry, so I'll preheat this for 5 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Put all the pork liempo in the air fryer and wait until it's fried. Now it's done. This is the finished product in air fryer. Now we will start frying the eggplant. When it's done, we can saute the garlic. Then the onions. Add the tomatoes. Now add the chili, cover and let it simmer. Now we can add the shrimp paste or the bagoong alamang. And then mix. Add half cup of water. Stir and let it boil. We can now add the chopped crispy pork liempo, stir it well. We can now put the fried eggplants. And now it's done and ready to serve. And here's our finished product. So try it now. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!